Hey, it's Marina, travel experta, and today we're going to be talking about a pig roast. Are you guys ready for an adventure? Let's begin. Pig roasts are too popular in Guatemala and in the majority of Central American countries. What exactly is a pig roast? Well, it's pretty much exactly that. They get a whole pig and then they roast it on a fire pit. But it's amazing to see how popular this is for an actual gathering. And normally, when you have a pig roast, that's usually all you get, and maybe a couple of potatoes and a little bit of greens, but that's pretty much it. So if you are a vegetarian or a vegan, you need to let the person who is inviting you know, because otherwise there's zero option, or bring something yourself. There's also pig roasts all over the country, like especially on weekends. It's a popular thing to do with the locals. They just go to these, kind of like open restaurants, but they're just nothing but pig roasts. And sometimes they're just, you know, popped up on highways or roads or in little towns, just like that. And I've been invited to a couple of pig roasts. The first time we went, we were not really vegetarian, so we were able to kind of do a little bit of a taste test. However, it's really not something that we choose. And now that we're vegetarians and vegans, we don't ever go to these things. I don't care who is inviting you. It's just inviting us. It's just not something that we have any interest in. The fact that, you see the whole pig, it's a cultural thing for sure. So if you want to do a cultural thing, might be something interesting to try, but if not, I don't know how great it is. It's also the chance of it not being super hygienical is very high. I don't care if it's over a fire. These pigs, you don't know where they're coming from, what they're eating. So, especially if you are in a smaller village and if you're going to like a local party, again, I personally don't fully recommend it. It is definitely, go at your own risk type of a place. And again, it could be something different, but so are bullfights, right? So give that a second thought. Anyways, if you enjoyed this episode, please leave me a review and share with your friends. And if you've got something, to comment about it, I'd love to hear your feedback on it because everybody, gets to choose what they want to do. And remember, make every day an adventure. And I've actually got a lot of cool, different ideas for adventures, cultural and whatnot on travelexperta.com. That's travel expert with an A.com. And remember, make every day an adventure.